So right now we're in Canva and we're outlining our own ebook. I also have a more specific video for that. I'm going to link it in the top right corner. So what I'm doing today is I'm designing my own ebook. As we're done with the cover of the ebook, now we're going to proceed to a new website which we call AI. New website called Chatgpt. So we need to use it as soon as possible because in the future it's going to be not free. So I want you to type in ChatGPT a specific niche that you want to cover and solve a problem, and that is going to be your topic in your ebook. So I'm going to type it in ChatGPT, write an ebook about a topic like mine. It's all about digital business. So anything that you could do or think of, you can do it in ChatGPT to generate them endless income. So as we're typing right here, we're going to enter it and it's going to generate an article. Now we asked for an article in the particular topic. Now we're going to convert it into an ebook, and ChatGPT is going to randomly convert it into chapters. We're going to just copy paste that. You can just outline your ebook or design it whatever you want, but I'm going to give you a specific example on how I do it exactly by this screen record, and observe how I actually copy paste ChatGPT information and convert it into an ebook while I'm designing and outlining mine. So those are page number. The design is actually from will be based on your creativity or how imaginative are you and how do you want it to look like. My advice here, if you're starting out, you just gotta make it simple yet very valuable and not overly depend on AI, because your information is much more valuable than any Google search engine or AI automation. So please observe on how I do it, and it's just simple copy pasting and continuous back-to-back copy pasting from AI. So as I do it, you could observe that I'm actually formatting it into different font size and font design, and I'm actually sometimes readjusting the font size in order to make it look more like reliable, more credible and designed and well organized. So now let's go to ChatGPT and enter our call to action. This is where people are going to click your affiliate link, and after they're reading, they consume your ebook, and this is where the real money takes place. So I'm just actually constructing my own instruction. You could instruct in yours more specifically. So after I made my command, ChatGPT is going to generate a message that will help me convince people to click the link to after they learn about digital business, and it's going to generate a lot. It will take a lot of time depending on the message, but you can always copy paste it, and don't worry about making it more complicated because it's just so simple, and you don't have to put all of the text in one page. You can always cut it down because some of the text is so long or unnecessary, and you could always adjust the font size. Now this is going to be our hyperlink. This is where people are going to click it. Now you can always design it in various ways. You can put some arrows so they can see it clearly where are going to click the link to proceed to another affiliate, and done. Now I have an affiliate partner. It's called Skillshare. You can always sign up, or you can find another company who can affiliate your promotion. So it will take a lot of a process, but it's so simple and fast if you do it fastly. Now Skillshare is very good one to have an affiliate. I also have a link in the description if you want a free trial. And it's actually complicated on finding a lot of brand partners, so you have to research a lot. So after talking about it, I'm going to get the affiliate link from Skillshare itself because I'm already signed up and they approved me. I'm going to actually navigate an affiliate link which I can support to. So this is the affiliate link. You could also use the code. I'll link it down in the description if you want to try it for free. All right, so we're going to copy paste the link, and this is the link when we paste it in the browser. Is actually get 1 month free Skillshare, and I'll earn a commission for it if you guys click the link, or my possible prospect will click the link. So you'll need to download it in PDF form into an ebook from Canva, and this is the whole output. You can always recheck it or proofread it. Now we're going to use HubSpot or any other website that you can use to build a landing page or opt-in page. This is where we're gonna put our ebook. This is where we're gonna collect some emails, and we're gonna do some email marketing. Now if you want another video about email marketing, you could ask in the comment section. You can proceed to logging in your account in HubSpot because they'll require you from it, and they'll ask about your company. They'll ask about various questions, so it doesn't matter. You just fill it out. After that, you're going to access their page, which we can create a free landing page. So I'm here at the templates. There's a lot of templates that you can choose when it comes to building your landing page, and you can choose anything you want in your format according to your branding, and the colors is always editable. This is not actually sponsored, but HubSpot. I'm just joking. So I think I'll be choosing this one because it's a little bit simplistic and minimalist. I don't actually have my brand color yet because I'm trying to still build influence and branding in progress. So this is your template. What you're seeing right now is your template to collect emails and put your ebook. Okay, let's click that and name it something that is comfortable or appropriate or formal or professional. After that, we are going to proceed here in HubSpot editing site. As you can see, there's a lot of features. It's kind of confusing. If you want me to make a full video about it, comment down in the section. So I think we could edit a lot here actually. Now I'm going to proceed in editing my own opt-in or sales page. You can always skip this part, but if you want to learn everything, you can just watch this procedure and how I specifically made it. Alright, so we're done editing our own landing page, and this is how it looks like. And as you can see, we're publishing this up finally, and all you can do is click publish whatever you want if you're finished or done. So let's click it and we're going to make it. Done. You created your own landing page. The next step that you need to do is to actually collect their emails, and if you have a sufficient list enough of emails from your prospects, what you want to do is to market your products, market an information, give them an engagement, give them something valuable into their email, send them some emails. What we call that is email marketing. If you want me to make another video about it, comment down below because I'm going to make anything you requested, as long as it is related to digital business. If you gain any value from this video, hit like, and you can watch other of my videos if you want to. Just remember that being a digital entrepreneur, it takes a lot of time, dedication, patience, and commitment.